Use face.
Did it work?
I do.
Finish, right? Finished. What's that? It's not showing you guys. Sorry. The reason why it's got describing it is that that's how we praised INEC at the beginning of the election on the 11th, and it turned out to be one of the worst elections in the history of Nigeria. Now again, look at what's going on in University. Total failure of governance in the country. Complete failure in the sense that police is helping PDP arrest APC members, arrest SDP members. Gongs are being beaten about in the whole community, asking those who will not vote for PDP not to come out or they will beat them. Unlike before, talks are beating people up everywhere. People are being arrested and nobody has spoken. The government has no right to declare anybody wanted whatsoever. People are being declared wanted. The IG is doing nothing. Nobody is doing anything. Complete failure. Now there's voter apathy. I don't know if it cuts across the whole country, but there's total voter apathy in Nigeria. I mean, in River State. Nobody wants to come out because people are scared. Result sheets, some claim they are fake. I have no evidence whether they are fake or not. But you see, you really have to battle to make sure there's no violence. But you wonder whether it won't be difficult because you're not in every place. Here, you have to come out. I have to come out to tell my people, no, the result sheet may not be fake, even if it's fake. Take the fake result sheet to INEC. INEC is used to it. What we heard was that the mutilations in the last election, they have printed a new result sheet in which they have removed all those mutilations. That's why they find it difficult to upload. So now they can upload because they are now plain result sheets. INEC is a total failure, a complete failure.
Okay, the exercise for today, how would you describe it?
That's the point I'm making. What I just told you now is what is happening everywhere. It is not as if when you come into Ubima, and Ubima is calm because everybody believes in peace. And obviously, since I come from there, since it comes from here, there will be total calm and peace for people to vote. The only skirmish you saw here was when they suspected that the result was fake. And we told them whether the result sheet was fake or not, don't touch anybody, vote. Carry the fake result sheet back to INEC.
Your Excellency, advice to the federal government with regards to poor performance of INEC.
I'm not the president.
Advice, I said.
What advice? I've spoken to everybody concerned on this issue before the election. Spoken completely. There are those of us who oppose the reappointment of Mahmood. The person who nominated him for appointment is a member of Tinubu's camp. So what are you expecting? Success? Here in River State, Mahmood worked on that Wike as Executive Secretary of Third Fund. So what you're having in River State is that APC, SDP and others are contesting election not against PDP, against INEC, against police.
So are you saying that